Hey guys, it's me, Fritos Girl, with a video review of the Baby Alive Crib Life dolls. Now from the moment I saw them in the stores, I thought these dolls were adorable. So given the chance to review them is fantastic. The doll on the left is called Ella. She's supposed to be a rock star. The doll on the right is Michaela. She's the brunette. She is more of a folk singer type of girl. The first thing that I noticed about these dolls is just they're adorable. They are so cute. I love the molded hair because it's not just fake molded hair. You can see the strands. It looks like work was put into making it look real. I also love the big keen style eyes. It's just so great. Each doll has their own personality, which I also like. And you can even see it in just these two dolls alone. The little blondie is in a onesie, green eyes. The little brunette, Michaela, she definitely plays the part of a folk singer, down to her hairpiece and her extra accessory. Each of these comes with an accessory. The blondie comes with a rattle. It doesn't really stay in her hand, so I'm not quite sure what exactly you're supposed to do with the rattle, but it comes with her. And the brunette has moccasins. So the moccasins will come off if you're giving it to a child that still eats bits of their doll or, puts small things in their mouth. Then you'll want to take the moccasins off until they're old enough to know that they have to stay on the doll. But I think they're adorable as an adult collector. When I showed these to my cousins who are 4 and 5, they were instantly drawn to them. They ran to them. The 4-year-old was making cute little baby sounds and carrying the Michaela, the brunette, around the entire day. And the 5-year-old was playing with the blonde, Ella, and she was taking her shopping and all that stuff. So these are definitely something going to look at for the 4 and 5-year-old market. They're perfect size. They're tiny. They're not super small, but they will fit in a purse. They'll fit in a bag. If you're looking for a toy that's perfect just because you don't want your child to have idle hands, you want to just bring something for them to do that isn't huge, these are perfect because of their size. If you think about it, let's do profile. They're not that big. They're a little head heavy. They don't sit. They only crawl. In promo shots it shows them sitting, but I can't get them to do that. So I just keep them in crawling position. Overall, just a quick overview. The pros are that these are adorable dolls that are perfect for, tossing in a purse, bringing along with you if you feel you may need some entertainment for your child or even yourself. And the cons would be that they don't sit. I don't think that's a huge con because what child is going to say, oh, this doll doesn't sit, I don't want to play with it. It's, you're going to hold it, you're going to put it in a purse, you're going to put it in a cart. So I guess it's not a huge con, but they don't do exactly what the promo shots say they will do. Other than that, I really do adore these dolls, and I think you will too. So thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video review.